Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can bypass the SoundCloud copyright. Now, the first thing that you can actually do is that you need to, while sampling is very much encouraged in modern music production, you still gotta change it up, pitch it, bend it, chop it, and this is something that you want to try. Also, you can try to put like 20-30 seconds break in the beginning, like silence. So that's something you can do, or you can also use some AI software that is going to be like AI remix that maybe you're going to find in the future. I'm just like sharing you the brainstorming, but primarily you just want to use some tool for pitching, bending, chopping, like CapCut, some audio tools, right? So try it out. Hope it's going to help you at least a little bit. And have a great day and goodbye.